Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm with Kalos Services. Today we're going to go over the Mitsubishi remote operation. Today is going to be a real brief explanation on the operation of the remote. I'm not going to go into real great detail or length, just a real brief, you see it, answer some basic questions that you have. All right, so like a TV remote, we do want to direct this at the unit whenever we're making adjustments. Top three buttons, we have our on-off, and then our temperature setting, up and down. Then our bottom portion of the remote slides down. We have our mode button. That's going to be displayed here. You're going to have a snowflake, a dewdrop, a sun, and then back to automatic. My suggestion is during the summertime, put it in cool mode, which is going to be the snowflake. During the wintertime, when you're needing heating, put it in the sun, which is going to be your heating mode. So that's what the mode button is. Econo Cool, when you hit Econo Cool, it bumps the temperature up by 4 degrees to make it not run quite as frequently, and then also the vanes swing back and forth to create a little bit of a breeze in the space. This fan button is displayed here. That's going to be your fan setting. You're going to have quiet, low, medium, high, super high, and then automatic, which is the pinwheel looking setting. Our vane button, again you see the pinwheel, that's going to be our automatic mode. Based on whether it's in cool or heat, it's going to change the actual vane positioning. During your cool mode, it's going to blow it along your ceiling. So it's going to blow it up along the ceiling, and then that cool air is going to slowly settle as it's dropping because it's cooler air. In heat mode, the vane would actually go down and blow the air towards the ground, so that way the hot air can slowly rise, creating an even temperature in the space. If you have a personal preference and want to actually control exactly where the vane is, you can hit the vane button. So this is your number 1 position, which is going to be blowing along the ceiling. Your number 2 position is going to be a little bit further down. Number 4, even further down. 5, again, a little bit further down. 6 is now we're almost blowing it towards the floor. And then you have a swing option, which actually slowly oscillates back and forth. In your manual, it would be considered the swing option though, where it swings from the top down, pauses for a moment, and then swings back up. And it will continue to do that. It can, again, create kind of a nice air movement in the space. And that symbol for swing is 2 lines and then an arrow going back and forth. So now it goes back to the pinwheel, which is our automatic mode. Smart set. Again, you're going to have automatic position 1, 2, 3, 4, which is going to 1 would be blowing along the ceiling, 4 would be blowing towards the floor, and then you'll have a swing option which actually swings from top to bottom with a slight pause at the top and a slight pause at the bottom. Smart set is going to be a setting that you set up and push that button, it reverts back to that setting. You push the button again, it goes to whatever you had it previously set to. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to go over the start-stop time. Those are the basics: on, off, up, down, mode, fan, vane. That's about it. Thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Hopefully that was helpful. Really brief, not too detailed. Thank you guys so much.